Some patients sometimes ask me, Dr. Tenorio, what is better, a filler or a biostimulator? And the response is very simple. They are completely different. I like to make an analogy in salt and pepper. When you're going to put salt and pepper, nobody can ask you, Madam, what is better, salt and pepper? You know, salt is salt and pepper is pepper, and they can be combined together to have a fantastic result. So depending on the process, or the aging process, and depending on the needs of each person, you may need a filler, you may need a biostimulator, or you may need both of them. And the beauty of that is that when you are with an expert, we know exactly how to mix them, exactly how to dose them, and exactly when to apply it. How often should I use a biostimulator? The response is depending on the state when you start. If you're very young and you want to keep that youth and you want to keep in that state, maybe a biostimulator once per year is enough. But if you're a little bit more age and your skin has been damaged by sun, smoke, or by the simple aging process, so probably you will need to use a biostimulator every 3 months during the first 3 times, and then maybe twice per year, up to adopt full regeneration. If your skin is very, very damaged because of sun, smoke, drinks, kids, husbands, dogs, cats, etc. So maybe we need to mix biostimulators with devices like lasers, especially lasers or peelings, that is going to help to go faster in the process of regeneration. My patients ask me the question, Doctor, what is the difference between biostimulation and regeneration? That is a fantastic question, because biostimulation consists in keep growing the amount of collagen and replace the cells that are going during the aging process. Regeneration consists in wake up cells that are inactive and ultimately change their metabolic capacity in order to regenerate tissues and cells that are in the process of dying. And that is phenomenal. That is amazing things that we can do today with that. So if you have any questions about these topics that are absolutely fascinating, don't hesitate in sending to us a message to our accounts, and we will be very happy to respond.